So part of my front end for the brake stay is worn out. Got a lot of movement here. Anyways, it shouldn't be doing that. So my plan is, instead of running to the shop, is to just slice it and clamp it together, weld it up. I'm gonna see how that goes, and hopefully we don't have to slice the other end, because I mean this is pretty thick. After slicing it and welding it back up, I think I got a really tight fit. Really tight, which is good, I guess, right? There we go. Oh yeah, no more wiggle. Wobble wobble. It's good, still pivoting. So that's just a simple way. If you have a grinder and a welder, just slice it, compress it, and weld it. Now I'm gonna do the same for these guys. These are the same, they're all worn out. I'm gonna cut it and just compress it. These came with the bike, and they look like they're quality. They don't look like these Chinese or lower grade. Hopefully I'll get rid of all of this, the clacking noise from when you hit the brake. It just crack, and then when you're on the bumpy road and you're not on the brake, it's just crank, 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 crank. Now I'm not sure if this is gonna make sense, but on both ends I'm gonna cut it differently because the wear is different. Like on this side, I have more of a, not horizontal, but more of a vertical up and down, right? So it's more worn out up and down instead of side to side. So what I'm gonna do for this side is I'm gonna cut up here from the top and then compress it inward. And then on this side, the wear is actually different. The wear is not horizontal like on the other side. It's more of a, I mean, it's not a vertical wear, it's more of a horizontal wear, side to side. So this side, I'm gonna slice it from the middle and then compress it down. So two sides have different kind of wear. So if you're gonna do this, just make sure and to pre-check it before you cut it. All right, let me see how this turns out. So we have all these plate here, and let's see how much we can improve it by. This one has a lot, way a lot. Come over here and check out this, the brake stay here. The brake stay, want to make sure that we don't have any more play here, and there's no more clacking, whacking noise in this stay. Make sure that's good and tight. This part is already taken care of. This is no more, doesn't have any more wobble and play. And this side is tight on the left side of the bike. This is good. Now over here, we just got done with this side, and it looks to be very tight now. There's no more. It's pretty awesome because just a simple fix, you save a good tie rod. So that's good. This thing's still hot. The top one's still hot. I just got it welded, but you could just see that there's no more play. It's super tight. So we'll lube this thing up and we'll get it back on the bike. So it should be really, should be like a new tie rod. Now I'm gonna compress the brake. Got the music off. Oh yeah, man. Totally fixed it, man. Now before it was just cranking, and I totally forgot to do a before video. I'm typically pretty good with taking it before. But you know, suspension, if there's any play anywhere, it's going to make a noise, especially over bumpy road or under load, like when you're on the brake. So if you have any of those kind of noise, check the basic simple stuff first, and then if you have a Springer front end like me, before digging into those, because you could get wear on the head, on the where the rod goes through, and you know, something as simple as a loose bolt. All right, until the next mod or trip, we'll see ya. I'm out.